Hi guys, today I have this 13 by 1 pixie cut wig from Amazon, and it has a comb at the back, an adjustable strap, and two combs on either side. So it has no comb in the middle, and as I said before, it is a 13 by 1 lace front wig. So you have just minimal parting space or no parting space at all. And as you can see, this hairline, guys, it is a mess, but it is a 13 by 1, so you can work with it. Pressure you put on yourself, I think you're beautiful. I'll give you a 360 so you can see how the wig looks when you put it on straight from the pack, you all. Stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. Go in and cut the lace in 3 so it is easier for me to work with, and I'll be using just this got to be instant old spray because this is just a little piece of lace, guys. Baby, I love, it's natural. You don't have to put today I saw natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural, and even if you let your hair go wild, and if you take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me, so no doubt. Since the hairline is so thick, I'll go in and just tweeze a little part so I can just lay a little soup or a little grandma here you are. Because as I said, there is no parting space, so I'm just trying to make something. Stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, you're naturally my favorite, that's how it's gonna be, you and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me, so no lie. To put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Beauty in the world is your smile, 'cause baby, I love your lady. It's natural, you don't have to put on high, 'cause you look good when you don't even try, even try. You don't have to change, 'cause baby, I love it's natural. And if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be, you and me, so no now. Not to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. This is what I think about the wig. It is only $29, and for a beginner, this would be a perfect wig for you because it is a 13 by 1 lace front wig and it's human hair, so you have minimal lace to work with. You don't have to go in and lay it down or pluck nothing, even though the hairline is very dense, but you can work with it because it's not a lot of parting space, so that's a plus. And for all the experienced wig wearer, this is a good buy. It is a little on the thin side, but you could go in and pluck the hairline even though it's not a lot of parting space. You could go in and pluck it, lay your baby hairs and trim it to your own liking, and you get a perfect little pixie cut wig. I'll leave the link to the hair in the description, so if you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Until next time, bye. So no